Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to edit text. So you can insert the text object by using the text tool. I will click here. You can set the names equal sample, right click and OK. Now if you want to edit this text, you can go to selection menu, select the text objects, double click to move to the text editor. Now if you want to change the font, you can select the text, choose the fonts, like I will use the Cambria, and then this is for height, set into 5. You also can set to bold or none, italics, underlines, or you can set into the subscript or another for the subscript, and this is for the strike stroke. If you done, you can right click and then click OK to apply the change. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to edit text.